students, how are you? I hope you're enjoying at your home. Very good. I hope you have seen the video that I have sent to you in the group that was related to above and underground vegetables. The vegetables that are grown above the ground and the vegetables that are grown under the ground. Today we are going to do an activity related to that concept. Okay. Now look here, what we need for this activity. You need your scrapbook, pencil, eraser, scissor, Fevicol, brown sheet and a plain sheet. Now your mama will draw some of the vegetables on the sheet and you will color all the vegetables. Okay, mama will draw the vegetables, all the vegetables under and above the ground. As I have drawn capsicum, tomato, potato, radish, brinjal, bottle gourd, ladyfinger, chili, ginger and pumpkin. Both the vegetables that are above and under the ground. When your mama will draw it, then you will color all. I hope you have colored all the vegetables. Okay, as in capsicum you will color green. Capsicum is of green color, you will color green. Tomato is of red color, so you will color red color only. In potato it is brown, so you will color brown. In radish you will color red. Sorry, in radish you will color white, and in carrot you will color what? You will color red color. Okay, carrot red and radish is of white color. Brinjal of purple color, bottle gourd is of green color, chili is of green color, your ladyfinger is of green color, ginger is of mixed brown color, and this pumpkin. After coloring all these pictures, your mama will cut all these. Mama will cut all these vegetables, okay, and take out their outlines. Take out the outline as I have done it. As I have done. See, I have cut it all the vegetables. So your mama will also cut it. You will not cut it. Only your mama will cut it, and you will do the activity with the help of your mama. Now, put your scrapbook in this way and take a brown sheet, half brown sheet. Fold it. Your mama will fold it. First of all, she will fold it. इसको यहाँ mama will यहाँ corner से इसको fold करेंगे and from all the sides over here. Fold it like this. Have you folded? ये fold करने के बाद now what you will do? You will have to make a ground. हमने नीचे ground बनाना है. Then ground, the मिट्टी कौन से कलर की? Brown color. Okay ना? That's why we have taken brown color. जब हम इसको ऐसे fold कर देंगे, then your mama will put lines on it and you will cut it. And you will cut it. जहाँ पे हमने इसको fold किया था वो cut नहीं करेंगे हम बिल्कुल भी. We will not cut that part. हमने बीच में center में से line लगा के इसको ऐसे cut करेंगे. थोड़ा थोड़ा cut करेंगे so that we can put all the vegetables inside it. Okay, let's see how I am cutting it. Like this. See, cutting. I am cutting it. Now open it. When you will open it up, you will see there is a cutting like this on this sheet. Okay. ये आपने fold किया था. Now fold it like this only from both the sides from here, and put the Fevicol. Apply the Fevicol over here like this on both the sides, and वो जो fold किया हुआ इसको ऐसे folded में form में you will put it on your scrap like this, and it will be pasted. ये paste हो जाएगा. It will be pasted. Now what you are going to do? Now see, what is this? This is radish. This is radish. It is under the ground. It is under the ground. So you will put it under the ground. How you will put it? ये आपने क्या करना है? ये जो हमने cuttings किए हैं, you will put it like this. You will put it like this. Put all these underground vegetables like this. Okay. Now what is this? This is capsicum, and capsicum is above the ground. So you will paste the capsicum over here. You paste the capsicum over here like this. Put the glue and paste it over here. Now what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is ginger. This is ginger. So put the glue, you will not put the glue over here, we can put it over here. You will put it under the, these are underground vegetables, so you will put it here. Apply some glue so that it can paste it over here like this. Now can you tell me what is this? This is tomato and it is above the ground. So you will paste it over here. Apply some glue and paste it over here. Now can you tell me what is this? This is potato. What is this? Potato, and it is under the ground. So we'll paste it over here. First of all, put it in the under the ground like this, so that it is visible, and put it only small amount of glue so that it cannot move. Now can you tell me what is this? This is pumpkin. This is pumpkin. This is bottle gourd. What is this? Bottle gourd. So it is also above the ground. So we will put it over here. We'll paste it above the ground. Put the glue and paste it like this. Now what is this? This is pumpkin. It is also above the ground. Put some glue and paste it above the ground here like this. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is carrot. This is carrot. It is under the ground. So you will put it under the ground like this. You will take it out like this. आप अंदर बाहर ऐसे निकालें. जो हमने कटिंग की है उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसको? We can put it under it. हम इसको अंदर ले जा सकते हैं ना, क्योंकि हमने इसको सॉइल बना दिया, ग्राउंड बनाया इसका. See, it is under the ground. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is brinjal. This is brinjal, and brinjal is also above the ground. So you will paste it over here like this. Now what is this? This is lady finger. It is also above the ground, so we'll paste it our lady finger over here. And what is this? Chili, and it is also above the ground. Now you will paste it your chili over here. Now these were the vegetables. These are the vegetables which you have seen above and under the ground. Now you will do this activity. You will practice over here, and your mama will guide you, and you write it over here: above ground vegetables, and over here you will write down underground. Underground vegetables. Vegetable. With the help of a sketch pen, mama will highlight it. Okay. Now you have learned about these vegetables, that are above ground vegetables and underground vegetables. Okay beta, practice at home. God bless you. Bye.